All right, good morning. This is Mrs. Dubois. Today we're going to practice a little more with solving equations. All right, remember, these are multi-stepped. So you distribute, you combine, you balance, and you answer. All right, so, you're going to draw your line. You're going to distribute. 2x plus 6 equals 16. Then you're going to subtract 6. And you're going to, 2x is equal to 10. Then you're going to divide by 2. X is equal to 5. Same thing over here. Draw your line. Distribute. You get 3x minus 3 equals 15. I'm going to add 3 to each side. 3x equals 18. Divide by 3. X is equal to 6. Okay? Now you're looking at, you want to combine like terms first. The 7x and negative 4. That will give you 3x plus 5 equals 26. Subtract 5. 3x equals 21. Divide by 3. X is equal to 7. Number 4, draw your line. 6w equals 24. Divide by 6. Divide by 6. W equals 4. Yeah, move on to the second page. Okay. So again, they come a little more complex. We're adding one more step. You want to distribute first. So you have 7x. You're distributing a positive 2 plus 2x plus 12 equals 39. Then you're combining like terms. So 9x plus 12 equals 39. Now you're down to a 2-step, so you're going to subtract 12. 9x equals 27. Gosh. And then you're going to divide by 9. So x is equal to 3. Obviously, I have to enlarge this. You're going to draw your line. You're going to distribute. 3x plus 15 plus 4x equals 36. 7x plus 15 equals 36. Now you're down to a 2-step. You're going to subtract by 15. What does that give you? 21. Divide by 7. X is equal to 3. There you go. All right, 7. Draw your line. Distribute. 4x plus 7x minus 14 equals 30. You have 11x minus 14 equals 30. Coming down to your 2-step equation, add 14 to each side, and divide by 11. You get x is equal to 4. Go over to 8. Draw a line. You're going to distribute first. So negative 5x, and I'm distributing a positive 4 plus 4x minus 12 equals 17. Then you're going to combine like terms. Negative 5 and a positive 4. That will give you negative x minus 12 equals 17. Then you're going to balance by getting the variable alone on one side. So now you have negative x equals 17. Now you want to divide by a negative 1. Remember, you can't have a negative variable. So you have x is equal to negative 17. Closing in on the last 2. All right, distribute. Now this is a negative 3. You want to take the sign in front of it. So you have 19x minus 3x plus 18 equals 66. Then you want to draw a line. Should have done that before, but now you have 16x plus 18 equals 66. All right, you're making your way down to a two-step equation. So now we have 16x equals, and remember, if you want to use a calculator, go ahead. 48. X is equal to 4 when we divide by 16. Okay, last one. Draw your line. Distribute. So it's a positive 5. So you have negative 3x plus 5x plus 15 equals 16. Now you want to combine like terms. Negative 3 plus 5 is 2x plus 15 equals 16. Now you're subtracting by 15. You're getting 2x is equal to 1. Divide by 2, and you get x is equal to 1/2. And you want to leave it as 1/2. Don't convert it to a fraction, because in algebra it's much easier if you leave things as the fraction. Okay. Next you're going to do 3.1, and then make sure you check the answer key for 3.1 to make sure you're headed in the right direction. Okay. Bye.